So now I'm going to teach you something called increasing and decreasing. I'm going to do a round of single real quick. This row is singles, so make sure you start out with singles. If you want to go back to your single row, you just pull the long string until you get back to it. It's real simple, but I just want to start off with single, so let me redo this. And then we have how many V's? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 V's. So we have 8 stitches on this row. Now when we're done, we want to have 9. So you know how you go in through the first single crochet. Remember single crochets. In through, stab it, rip out its guts, pull it through 2. Stab it, rip out its guts, pull it through 2. Stab it, rip out its guts, pull it through 2. If you want to do 1 increase on the next stitch, it means we do 2 instead of 1, 1, 1 stitch. We do 2 in this one. So we go stab it, rip out its guts, pull it through, and then you see how this knot's right above it. We go through the same hole right here. Go through the same hole, stab it, rip out its guts, pull through. So that's an increase. And we're going to do okay, and then we're going to chain 1. So now how many V's are there? We don't count the chain, we count the knots down here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So before we had 8, now we have 9. So we just increased by 1 stitch. Decreasing by 1 stitch makes it 1 stitch lower, so we'll go back to 8. So normal stuff, normal, normal. And then if we need to do it on this stitch, we stab it, rip out its guts, stab it in the next one, because you see we stabbed it through this hole. Now we need to stab it through this hole with still our 2 loops on it. Stab it, and this makes 2 stitches become 1. So now you've stabbed it through each of these holes. And now you need to pull through all 3. I'm going to redo it just to show you again. Okay, so we're going to be working with these 2 V's right here. Okay, stab it through the first hole, rip out its guts, stab it through the next hole, rip out its guts, and then pull through all 3. And that's decreasing. And then we'll do regular through the whole thing, so I can show you that now it's 8 stitches instead of 9. So, 1. So this is not a chain. I didn't chain 1 yet, so that's a chain 1. We skipped the chain 1. That doesn't count. So go V, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we only have 8 V's. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I pretty much taught you all the different kinds. That's like our beginner friendly. And then if you want me to teach you something else, let me know.